Hi, my name is Clarence Whittington. I came to Max Credit Score because I didn't have any credit. I applied for credit cards and I was denied each time. So when I heard about Max Credit Score, I investigated and I paid the fee. Max Credit Score cleaned my credit up. Right now I have an increase over 250 points. My highest score is now 712. Through monthly meetings with Max Credit Score, I learned more about keeping a low interest rate, how to pay my bills on time, and everything is beautiful. Would I recommend anybody to Max Credit Score? Yes, because that's the way to go. If you want to live comfortable, buy anything you want, do anything you want, Max Credit Score is the way to go. Everything that I had on my credit score that was negative is gone. I'm in the 700s and climbing. So Max Credit Score, thank you.